Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we have another unboxing and it's a Louis Vuitton unboxing. But before I proceed, I would like to introduce to you my cutie right here, and her name is Coco Belle, and she is a Labradoodle, and Coco Belle is 2 years old and she is my companion. In every video that I make, Coco Belle is right next to me. So she wants some loving before mommy starts on my unboxing. So I just want to introduce to you my Coco Belle. So yeah, say hi. So yeah, so she's a real sweet dog and she just loves the kids. The kids love her, and she is the most gentle dog that you could ever have. And yeah, I just love her to death. So now let's get on with the unboxing. So bye baby, see you. So you saw me doing my review on my mini pochette, and I don't know why I got so lucky, but this time I'm going to show you what I have. So I have another one, and I scored this at their website recently. So as soon as I saw this, I messaged Francesca from It's Tracks, because she is a Louis Vuitton queen. So I told her, you know, there is another mini pochette, should I get it? And she said, go get it, you know. It doesn't come a lot, so go ahead, grab the opportunity. So I did. So let me show you what I have. And yeah, so let's see. So as always, I'm surprised it doesn't have a ribbon. The last time I did this, it had a ribbon, but this time it doesn't have one. And so yeah, so let me show you what I have. And so it popped on the website, and as soon as I saw this, I said, you know, let me add it to cart. And I did, and a few seconds later it disappeared. So let's see if it's not a fail. So they actually left a ribbon here for me to actually wrap it myself, and also a card that if you wanted to gift it out, then it's there. So let's see here, and there it is. So let me show you what I have. And I have the Damier Ebene mini pochette. And as you saw my mini pochette video where you can style it different ways, I just fell in love with the piece. And that's why when I saw this in Damier Ebene, I said, I need to add this to my collection because it's just beautiful. And just as far as inspection and everything, I don't think there is any issues. And let's check the zipper. And I'll also kind of look it closely later on and see. And it has that red interior, if you call it that. And it has the sticker and the card. And so let me see where it's made from. All right, so it's right here on the outside. I'm so blind. Oh, and what I got is made in France. I'm really surprised because the last piece that I have, I think it was made in USA. So this time it is made in France. And I'm so glad that I got something that's made in France finally. And so here is my mini pochette in Damier Ebene. And let me pull the one that I have in monogram real quick so I could show you. And here it is, the monogram. So here is my monogram, and here is my Damier Ebene. So next to each other, here, and of course, you know, this one is in the Vachetta leather, and this one is on that leather for the Damier Ebene. And let me see again, this one right here, my monogram is made in Spain. And I have a couple of Louis Vuitton that is made in Spain, and one is this monogram. So yeah, so I don't know why I got so lucky and I got another mini pochette in Damier Ebene. And you know, I could say that I'm fairly happy with this purchase. And yeah, so here it is, and it's really spacious, and I enjoyed my monogram because I could do it, wear it crossbody and everything, and it's so functional. So you know, I thought I would add another one to my collection, a Damier Ebene, and another, you know, from my monogram. So yeah, so I'm so happy, and that was my unboxing. And I hope that you enjoy this video. Again, please, if you wanted a mini pochette, there is really a chance. This is my second time. Just, as I said, keep on stalking. Just keep on checking the website, and eventually it will pop up. But as soon as you get it, click add to cart, and then you will be able to get this item. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have any questions, please let me know at the comments section down below. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon.